Choosing the wrong course order can turn unfamiliar terrain, shifting wind, and travel fatigue into problems that last well beyond the final hole. At Spring City Golf and Lake Resort, the lake course and mountain course require different preparation. The right choice depends less on which landscape looks more appealing and more on how each golfer manages accuracy, slopes, wind, physical effort, and recovery time. A practical course fit matrix places 35% of the decision on shot accuracy and strategic discipline, 25% on terrain tolerance, 20% on wind readiness, 10% on recovery time, and 10% on scenery and leisure preference. These weights do not rank the courses. They identify what must be understood before confirming the itinerary. The lake course sits beside Yangzong Lake and combines tight fairways with substantial elevation change and strong lake winds. Its central demands are start line control, distance calibration, and disciplined fairway placement. Exposure to the lake can alter ball flight and increase the mental effort required for club selection. A broad weather forecast may indicate wind speed, but it cannot explain how that wind behaves on individual holes. Visitors should therefore ask when the course is typically most exposed, what practice facilities are available before play, and when local wind guidance will be provided. A calm opening strategy is valuable until distance and wind cues become familiar. For golfers who control dispersion well and prefer measured positional decisions, these conditions may suit their strengths. The mountain course presents a different challenge. It follows steeper slopes and features narrow fairways, deep gullies, terraced greens, cross-valley wind, pine forest, and uneven lies. Here, precision includes knowing when not to attack. A recovery shot toward a conservative target may be more valuable than an aggressive attempt from an uncertain stance. Slope can influence carry distance, balance, alignment, and the visual perception of a target. Cross-valley wind may also change direction from hole to hole, requiring more interpretation at every decision point. Golfers who normally depend on one yardage assumption will need time to assess both lie and exposure. Before the round, the most useful questions concern high-consequence misses, terrain that distorts distance perception, walking or buggy support, and temporary course conditions. Handicap alone is not enough to determine fit. Two players with similar indexes may respond very differently to uneven lies, fatigue, narrow landing areas, or uncertain recovery shots. A better comparison begins with actual shot patterns. Left-right dispersion, confidence on slopes, ability to manage variable wind, and willingness to choose a safer line under pressure. Course order should also reflect travel realities. A player arriving after a long flight or transfer may need time to establish local pace, communicate with a caddy, and understand how elevation and wind affect distance. The first round can provide those cues before the second layout introduces different tactical demands. There is no universal sequence. Arrival time, sleep, practice access, walking tolerance, and next-day obligations should drive the decision. Preparation should begin the evening before play. Confirm the course, event format, meeting time, transfer duration, expected weather, practice access, caddy arrangements, dress requirements, and any excluded payment items. Place the golf bag, rain gear, hydration, footwear, and identification where they can be accessed without delay. On arrival, allow time for registration, bag handover, warm-up, and a concise caddy or starter briefing. Ask about prevailing wind, costly misses, pace expectations, local rules, and maintenance or weather changes. If conditions delay the round, review every related dependency, including dining, checkout, bag access, and airport transfers. Neither layout is inherently the better choice. The lake course emphasizes placement, calibration, and lake wind management. The mountain course adds steeper physical demands, uneven lies, gullies, and conservative recovery decisions. The strongest itinerary matches those conditions to the golfer's preparation, energy, tactical habits, and available recovery time.